Hey guys, good morning. It's Wednesday, October 7th. Today is my son's 25th birthday. So happy birthday to my sweet Dakota. Today is Wednesday and today's weight is 174.2, so essentially the same as yesterday. I'm going to try something different today. I'm going to do intermittent fasting, which is essentially eating between a specific window of time. I'm going to do 16-8, which means I'm fasting for 16 hours of the day and I eat during 8 hours. Not all 8 hours, but during an 8-hour window. So the reason I'm doing this is because I haven't really been very hungry for breakfast lately. But because I do generally do 3 meals a day, I feel it's pretty healthy. I eat breakfast anyway. So then because I ate breakfast and I wasn't super hungry, then I'm not super hungry for lunch. So I'm gonna try to just cut out breakfast today. I'm gonna eat between the 12 and 8 time frame. So breakfast this morning is gonna be just coffee. If I was doing a clean intermittent fasting, it would be just black coffee, but I am not very interested in drinking black coffee today. So I'm gonna do black coffee with a tablespoon of my fat-free creamer. That's what I've got going on for breakfast. Okay, lunch today is leftover honey sriracha chicken, and I'm using it today on a baked potato. So it's a large baked potato. Baked potatoes are 0 smart points on the purple plan. I just put the potato in the microwave for 5 minutes and it's cooked perfect. So super fast and easy. Baked potatoes, 0 smart points. The honey sriracha chicken is 5 smart points per serving. So I have 5 points of the chicken, and then I have a huge dollop of this non-fat Greek yogurt instead of sour cream. Non-fat Greek yogurt is 0 smart points on blue and purple. And then I also have another little bit of sriracha sauce on the top for 0 smart points. So my baked potato, my honey sriracha chicken baked potato is 5 smart points. Okay, tonight's recipe is the Skinnytaste lasagna soup. It looks like a whole ton of ingredients. It actually is, but I think the recipe itself is gonna be pretty easy. So let's just jump right into it. I'm gonna show you what we need. We need, first of all, some cooking spray. We need 14 ounces of Italian style sausage with the casings removed. I don't know if I'm gonna remove the casings because I've never done that, and I really just want this to be quick and easy tonight, so I may just chop it into small pieces. So Italian sausage, I'm using this Idell's chicken sausage, so chicken Italian sausage. Next we need a half an onion diced. It's not quite half an onion, but it's gonna have to make do tonight. We also need, 2 crushed garlic cloves. So for this minced garlic, I do 1 teaspoon of minced garlic for each garlic clove. We need 4 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley. The parsley is here. 3 cups of fat-free chicken broth. I didn't realize it was supposed to be fat-free, so all I have is regular chicken broth, but I don't generally count points for this chicken broth anyway. We need 2 1/4 cups of water, 2 cups of marinara sauce. I'm gonna use this Prego traditional marinara sauce. We need 2 bay leaves, which I don't have, and some black pepper, which I need to grab. Also 6 ounces of lasagna noodles. So the recipe calls for whole wheat or gluten-free, and I could find neither of those, so I just have the regular lasagna noodles. This is gonna add 17 points to my entire recipe. So this recipe serves 6, so we've got an extra 17 points to deal with. Okay, for the topping, we need part skim mozzarella cheese. I have this Great Value brand. We need a 1/2 cup of part skim ricotta cheese. We need 3 tablespoons of grated parmesan, here, just the cheap kind, and then 2 tablespoons more of this fresh parsley. So those are all my ingredients. Let's get started with the sausage. Okay, here's the sausage that I diced into small pieces instead of taking it out of the casings. I am totally okay with that. Do whatever works for you. So this has been sauteing and browning in the pan for about 4 minutes. Now we're gonna add the garlic and the onion. Okay, the garlic and the onion have sauteed for about 3 minutes. So now we're gonna add the parsley. I need to chop the parsley first. Then we're gonna add the parsley, broth, the water, the marinara sauce, and the pepper. We're gonna bring this to a boil and then cover and reduce heat to simmer for 30 minutes. I'll show you what that looks like in just a minute. Okay, next step is to mix up the topping for this recipe. I messed this one up a little bit. In a medium bowl, you're supposed to combine the ricotta, the parmesan, and parsley. I accidentally added the mozzarella cheese to that also, so I'm just gonna stir all this up and use it all as topping at the same time. Okay, here's our yummy looking ricotta topping. This is gonna be so good. Let's check on the soup. The soup is definitely boiling, so I'm gonna turn this down and just let it simmer for about 30 minutes, and then I'll check back with you guys then. I'm getting so hungry. This smells so good, but this has finally been simmering for 30 minutes. So now we're gonna add the broken lasagna noodles, and then we're just gonna cook this until the noodles are done. So I don't know, maybe 10 minutes. Believe me, I'm gonna check this often. So we're almost there. Just gonna cook the noodles. Okay, I have a slight confession to make. I may or may not have added double the amount of lasagna to this bowl. I think I did. This looks so amazing. So I'm going to count, instead of 8 smart points for my lasagna soup, I think I'm gonna go with 12. Yeah, 12 points for 1 cup. On the other hand, if you had whole wheat lasagna noodles, you wouldn't have to count extra for the extra noodles you put in the pot. Okay, so we topped the soup with the ricotta cheese mixture. It looks so beautiful and so good. I'll admit this is a little less of a soup than I expected because I added the extra lasagna noodles, but I'm not regretting anything right now. This is my dinner tonight, and I'm counting 12 smart points for Skinnytaste lasagna soup.